Oh, hello? Alright.
Noah. No, I'm streaming. I got my editor, OBS editor. I go on YouTube.
Oh. Hello?
Oh, look.
Alright.
Noah. No, I'm streaming. I got my editor, OBS editor.
Hello?
I go on YouTube.
Hello? Oh. Hello?
Oh, look.
Alright.
Noah. Hello? No, I'm streaming. Hello? I got my editor, OBS editor.
Hello?
Go on YouTube.
This
Hello?
is working. Is this working? Oh. Hello?
Oh, look.
Alright.
Noah. Hello? No, I'm streaming. Hello? I got my editor, OBS editor.
Hello?
Live?
This
Hello?
is working. Is this working? Oh. This is live, right? Hello?
Oh, look.
Alright.
Noah. Hello? No, I'm streaming. Hello? I got my editor, OBS editor.
Hello?
Live?
This
Hello?
is working. Is this working? Oh. I don't know how this is live, right?
My screen.
Hello?
Oh, look.
Alright.
Noah. Hello? No, I'm streaming. Hello? OBS editor.
Hello?
Live?
This
Hello?
is working. Is this working? Oh. Okay, I don't know how this is live, right?
My screen.
Hello?
Oh, look.
Alright.
Noah. Hello? No, I'm streaming. Hello? OBS editor.
Hello?
Live?
This
Hello?
is working. Is this working? Oh. Okay, I don't know how this is live, right?
My screen.
Hello?
Oh, look.
Alright.
Noah. Hello?
Alright,
Hello? OBS editor.
hello?
Live?
No, this
Hello?
is working. No, look. Is this working? Oh. Okay, I don't know how this is live, right?
My screen.
Hello?
Oh, look.
Alright.
Noah. Hello?
Alright,
Hello?
oh my god.
This
Hello?
Live?
No, this
Hello?
is working. No, look. Is this working? Oh. Okay, I don't know how this is live, right?
My screen.
Hello?
Oh, look.
Alright.
Noah. Hello?
Alright,
Hello?
oh my god.
This
Hello?
Live?
No, this
Hello?
is working. No, look. Is this working? Oh.
Sorry guys, I don't know how to do this.
Okay, I don't know how this is live, right?
My screen.
Hello?
Oh, look.
Alright.
Yeah, that's not delayed.
Hello?
Alright,
Hello?
oh my god. No, this
Hello?
is working. Hello? 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 Um, hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Then select OK. Click on the display button to select the monitor you would like to record. If you have a single monitor, you should only have one option here.
Hello?
If you run a multiple monitor setup, select your monitor. Click on the display button. If you want your mouse cursor to be captured when OBS records, make sure that capture cursor is checked. Click on the display button, the monitor you would like to record. If you have a single monitor, you would like to only have one option here. If you have a single monitor, multiple monitor setup, one option here. Select your monitor. Click on the display button. If you run a multiple monitor mouse cursor to be captured, select your monitor. Click on the display button. Make sure your mouse cursor to be captured when OBS records. Make sure that capture cursor is checked. Click on the display button. The monitor you When done, select OK. Let's go back to the sources box and select the plus sign again. If you plan to record the video games that you play, select Game Capture. Just like before, you can change the name and make sure Make Source Visible is checked. Select OK. You can just leave everything here on the defaults and select OK again. If you want to change the source settings, select the source, then select the settings icon. Here you can change the display. To delete a source, select it, then select the minus sign. It'll ask you if you're sure you want to remove display capture to. Select yes. And now it's gone. The up-down arrows change the priority of the sources. Make sure the source you currently want to use is at the top of the list. In addition to recording your display, OBS also records your desktop audio from games, websites, or any other software on your computer. It can also record the audio from your microphone.
Hello?
So let's head over to the mixer section. For desktop audio, click the settings icon to the right of the volume bar. Select Properties from the drop-down menu. Make sure that Default is selected, then hit OK. Just below Desktop Audio, there's a separate listing for microphone. Select the settings icon, then Properties. Here you can choose the microphone that you want to use. Once you have it selected, select OK. Let's take a quick look at the rest of the user interface. To the left of Sources is Scenes, which will allow you to use more than one source while recording. This is a little bit more advanced for a beginner's tutorial, so we'll skip over this one. To the right of the mixer is Scene Transitions. If you're not using scenes, there's no need to worry about this one. And to the right of the Scene Transitions is Controls. For doing a live stream, you would select Start Streaming. Start Recording is for a standard screen capture. Right now it says Stop Recording because I'm currently using it to record my screen. Once you become more comfortable with OBS, you may want to try out Studio Mode for live streaming. Simply, it allows you to make changes while you're streaming, like adding and resizing images and adding text. Below Studio Mode is Settings and Exit. Exit is self-explanatory. Let's go into Settings, and I will show you which ones that I use for my recordings. In each category, I'll point out a few of the key settings. First, we'll take a look at the general settings, where you have several languages that you can choose from. And you have a choice among 3 themes, which will change the way that OBS looks. I personally prefer the dark theme.
Alright. Whoa. How you doing? Okay, stop. Stop.
And you have a choice among 3 themes, which will change the way that OBS looks. I personally prefer the dark theme. That I use for my recordings. In each settings. First, we'll take a look at the general settings, where you have several languages that you can choose from. And you have a choice among three things, which will change the way that OBS looks. I personally prefer the dark theme.
Alright, everyone. I'll try to play some Skyblock. So yeah.
On the display button, the monitor. 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 On the display button, the monitor.
Alright guys, I'm new to this, so have
On the display button, the monitor.
here and there.
On the display button, the monitor.
But hey, alright guys, I'm new to this, so have
On the display button, the monitor.
well, here and there.
On the display button, the monitor.
So yeah. Welcome to the stream. This might be a little laggy.
Monitor.
But hey, I'm guys, I'm new to this, so
On the display button, the monitor. On the display. On the display button, the monitor.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop streaming right here, guys. This is just a